5 unique home decorating initiative using terrariums. 1. Vintage mason jars. Vintage mason jars are amazing to be used as terrariums. The home decorating initiative. The vintage look of mason jars can even beautify the already beautiful plants. But the thing is, this kind of a jar is very ideal for a lot of small plants. Plants such as chive, thyme, and rosemary will be some great choices of plants to be placed in the vintage mason jars as terrarium. 2. Aqua terrarium. Who says that terrariums can only be the place for plants? In fact, you can also create an aquarium from terrarium idea. The aqua terrarium will be great for placing small water plants and fishes. The best plant to choose for the aqua terrarium is of course water lilies. The beautiful color and look of water lilies can complement the decorative terrarium, and even it looks great with colorful fishes. 3. Unique succulent terrarium. Terrarium is like one of the most innovative interior ideas in this modern era. Terrarium can be placed everywhere if you can choose the fixing terrarium design for certain rooms. If you do not know what the best terrarium decor is, you can choose the most unique succulent terrarium. You can choose the most unique one by yourself. You just have to prepare glass vessel, potting mix, succulent cuttings, and small spoon to create the unique succulent terrarium. 4. Dinosaur terrarium. This will be the perfect gift for your children. You might also create this with your children. Yes, a dinosaur terrarium will be great to be placed inside your children's bedroom. You have to prepare crushed rocks for drainage of the terrarium, charcoal, and of course potting soil. The plants you can choose can be varied, and the last thing you need is dinosaur miniatures. You can get the dinosaur miniatures from pet shops, and then finally you can put them inside the dinosaur terrarium for your children. 5. Colorful layered sand terrarium. This is a unique, yet simple to create the idea of terrarium for a home decoration. A number of glass jars and colored sand will be needed to create this decoration. You can use faux plants for this kind of terrarium idea. The faux plant will surely last longer than the authentic one. The colors for the sand can be various, but to make the color palette better, choose bright colors such as turquoise, mint, or white.